Like Isaac, that's it's a gamble just to meet. Took every chance hoping it'd be you I'd see. Fills me with joy when I watch you do your own thing. Admiring you and the fever you always bring.
Against the odds we always roll the dice. Flip the coin, we love paying the price. Life's a gamble, all is sacrifice. All is worth for chasing the prize. Change the world with one spin. Can't sleep without the risk. Even if you're hesitant, you have to lock it in.
When I cannot sleep, there's a fever. When you're burning high, I will bet on you. Admiring the risk that you always go through. Yeah, risk it twice. I'm so restless just to see you. If this is a dream, I don't wanna wait. All the luck it takes me just to stand by you. Yet another night spent hoping by myself, and I do it twice as I'm restless to admire you. Just missed the train to tomorrow that I seek. I know you're waiting for me, there are no worries. Just betting black, but it's always landing on red. I'm sure that you and I will meet, it's alright.
Risking it all, your life's your only ride. You're not living if avoiding the fight. Play with rigged and roll the weighted dice. If you don't try, already lost the prize. Change the world with one spin. Can't sleep without the risk. Even if you're hesitant, you have to lock